Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Fuse. You're in the right place if you're a Lexus RX330 and RX350 owner or a DIY enthusiast. In today's video, we're diving into the Fusebox diagram for the Lexus RX330 and RX350 models from 2003 to 2009. This guide will help you locate, identify, and troubleshoot any electrical issues you might face with your car. And that's it for today's guide on the Lexus RX330 and RX350 2003 to 2009 Fusebox diagram. Hopefully, this video helped you understand the fuse locations, what each fuse controls, and how to troubleshoot common electrical issues. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Lexus DIYs and car maintenance tips. Do you have any questions, or have you encountered any fuse-related issues in your Lexus RX330 and RX350? Comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.